Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we like to discuss about effectiveness corrosion prevention. As we know, corrosion is when metal get rusty and weak because it reacts with water, air or salt. This can damage the metal over time, but we can prevent this corrosion by putting the special coating on the metal. Coating works like a shield. It can stop water and air from touching the metal surface.
Let me introduce a little bit about the spray. Alright, the brand we use is a Bossman, and the type we use is a Magic Aerosol Paint. Let's go. This we use code 2 white, color white, and this is for fast drying, and this can use in interior and exterior surface.
In this experiment, we like to see how well the coating can protect the metal and stop it from rusting.
So sekarang kita ada dua sampel, satu coated with paint and one more is uncoated. So in my part, kita akan letak these two sample dekat open air yang akan kena hujan dan panas. So today is the first day. As you can see, the coated one there's no corrosion at all. Same goes to the uncoated. Guys, today is the second day, so let's see what's happened to the nail. For the uncoated one, it started to corrode. You can see it's slightly orangey, and for the coated one, there's no corrode at all. So let's see what happens to the nail. As you can see, the uncoated one, the corrosion is getting bigger, and the coated one, there is no corrode at all. So this is day 6, so let's see what happens to the nail. As you can see, the uncoated one, almost all of the surface of the nail are surrounded by corrode, and the uncoated one doesn't have any corrode and it doesn't change at all.
Today is day 8. Let's inspect the nail that is in the outdoor environment. Okay, so for the coated nail, there is still no corrosion that happens, and as for the uncoated nail, there's a lot of corrosion that happens, as you can see. Hi, today is day 10. Now let's inspect the nail that is in the outdoor environment. So for the coated nail, as you can see, there is still no corrosion that is visible, and as for the uncoated nail, there is a lot more corrosion that happens. Hi, today is day 12. Now let's inspect the nail that is in the outdoor environment. So as for the coated nail, as you can see, the coating continues to protect the nail as there is little to no sign of rust still. And then as for the uncoated nail, there is even more rust that is visible than before. Hi, today is day 14 of inspection, which is the last day for the nail in the outdoor environment. So for the coated nail, as you can see, there is still no rust that happens to it. So the coating really works. And then for the uncoated nail, there is even more rust that has already formed.
Hi, this is the first day. As you can see, I have prepared two nails, one coated with pen and one uncoated. So I have placed both nails indoors in the fixed position. At this point, both nails appear clean and shiny. There is no sign of rust or surface damage. Hi, today is day 2. There were no visible changes on both nails. The painted nails remain completely intact, while the uncoated nail still look the same as day 1. This suggests that corrosion had not yet started, likely due to the limited exposure to moisture and the short duration since placement.
Hi, today is the day 4 of the observation, so let us observe the two samples. So the first sample is the coated one, and the second sample is the uncoated one. So first let us see at the coated one first. So from our observation, you can see that there is no changes on the coated one. While for the uncoated one, they are starting to corrode a little bit.
Today is day 6. The uncoated nails show more noticeable corrosion. Small rust spots began to form on the exposed surface, especially at the tip and along the edges. Meanwhile, the painted nails still show no changes. This confirms that the paint was acting effectively as a barrier against the moisture and air.
Day 8. For the coated nail, has no change and no rust appear, but for the uncoated nails, some areas of the rust on the surface nail are getting bigger. Day 10. As you can see, coated nail has no change and no corrosion, but for the uncoated nail, back part of nail, the corrosion has not yet appeared because it's not exposed to the indoor air. But I will snip it and see the result on day 12. Hi guys, day 12. Coated nail has no change and no corrosion occur, but for uncoated nails, the back part I already snipped it, the corrosion has begun to appear because the surface has been exposed into the indoor air.
Hi, this is last day for indoor sample, which is day 14. So here, For the coated nails, has no change and no rust occur on the surface of the coated nails. But for the uncoated nails, is corrode. As you can see here, the rust is spread all over the nails.
We found that unpainted nails corrode rapidly outdoors and more slowly indoors due to exposure to oxygen and moisture. Painted nails show no corrosion in either environment because the paint acts as a protective barrier. The key things to know is that protective coatings significantly extend the life of nails by blocking air and moisture contact with the metal surface.
In this experiment, we tested how well the coating can stop the corrosion. After 40 days, we checked the sample and get uncoated nail get rust and coated nail still the same. Next, we put coated and uncoated nail in indoor area. After 50 days, we see that both of sample is. Next, we put in this experiment helping us how important coating protecting metal from the damage.